It's Singer. So, this is what I do with my Sims. You're like, Singer, what do you do to your Sims? A lot of things. I killed them, but not these two couple. Okay, wait, did I even spell his name? Okay, yes, I did. I didn't know what to come up with his last name, but I did for her. I'm sorry. Child, even though we are not ready for it, I always make them have babies. Okay, so if you want to see the house, okay, this is what the house looks like. I didn't have enough money right here, so I hope they are not being spoiled because, first of all, I gave them a bathroom, bed, another bed, bathroom, and a kitchen upstairs. Like, it looks like a pretty neat house, but not painted. So, trying to make a baby. Make a baby now! Oh, I'm so mean. You know. And, that's a fun day. And, what we are going to do with her is, something very special. I always do it with my Sims, like, you know, if you're the one to get picked, you're so special. So special. When I mean special, like, she shouldn't be crying, you know, right? She shouldn't be crying because she's gonna love it. Like it's not like she's gonna die. Like, I do this with all my Sims. Like, I promise you, she's gonna love it. Okay, and now what I want her to do should be very obvious. You know, she's cute. Who thinks she's cute? I could have killed her right away. You didn't read my mind, did you? But I do this with all Sims. Like, I do this every day. Like, it's fun. It's fun, you know, like, try it out. It's not even evil. Like, oh man. Oh, and I forgot one last thing. Well, man. I do this with all my Sims. Because, you know, it's a special day for them. But we are not going to try to use cheats. She should be thanking me right now because she's so special. So special. Very. Oh, my thing is lagging. So, it's something very, you know, special, romantic. No wonder they don't have pets. They don't take care of them. And they don't even have money for it, so, you know. I am so mad right now. You know why I'm mad, you guys? You know why I'm mad? So, you know, when I was editing my Sims, I might have, wait, I am so confused. Did I set them both as the sisters? so. Uh-oh. No! Uh-oh! The one sister is dying. No. Like, I messed up, didn't I? I'm so sorry. I'm so confused. I am so confused right now. Should I be confused, guys? Like, I don't see romance, you know? Like, once you're like, oh, gotta be friendly, though. But, like, no! No! That did not just happen. Did I really just do that? If I did, I'm gonna be so upset with myself. This is why. Very upsetting. And I know a thing popped up right here. Wait, what are those called again? Dressers? Yes, dressers. Yes, I say it in a funny way. I really want them to make a baby. So I can kill them, and so I won't get kicked out of the game. Basically. Change soon. My foot is so cold. Oh, I am so mad right now. I'm like, I wanted them to be married. I better have not did what I think I just done. Because I will get so angry to the point I'm like, no! Okay, let's see. This is why I'm so bad at Sims. I am mad. Wait, no, he can become pregnant. The opposite. Okay. I am mad. I'm mad at myself. I can't fix it. Girl. I am so mad right now. I am mad. I am so... No, don't just smile. She needs to find a man. She needs to find a man. I'm gonna make her have a man one way or another. Because, girl, I was such a bitch. Singer, calm down. Calm down. Deep breath. I am so upset with myself because first of all, I made them. I am really mad. Okay, I am so mad. No, don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. I want her to get pregnant tonight. Oh God, no. No, my box. My box. I have a box, okay. I know it's weird, but I have a box. Because all my shirt belongs in here because I don't want it messy. And it's white and it's from the band that I went to, my first ever band. So, yeah, that's fine. Me when I'm mad, I go on my phone when I'm so mad at this and I'm like, Okay, what's on Instagram? And yes, I do have Instagram. Please don't follow it because I would be so bad. Because I had no followers. And I don't even post on there, so what's the point? But, yep, and I'm actually on my phone. I'm so terrible. I'm so terrible. We need to make a baby with him. I'm so evil. Wait. I don't know. Wait a minute. I'm gonna be missed. Where's my girl? Wait, is he coming to you? That's sad. No, that's just sad. That's straight up sad. That's sad. I want a guy. She needs to be pregnant. She needs to be pregnant right now. I will use cheats. Girl, run the introduction. Meet him. Alicia. And she's falling asleep. Is she dead yet? She's not dead yet. She's not dead? Oh, but she's getting tired. She's getting tired. Why can't she walk? I want a good looking man, but I guess you can work. But no, don't you dare come into our conversation. No, don't you, no, he didn't. No. Oh, he hot. Sorry. This is why I'm embarrassing. I sometimes I like mustaches, guys. I don't know. This is the end of the video. I may make a part 2. I might. It just depends because I don't know, because I'm so mad right now. Like, I might not. It just depends, I guess.